Polytechnic Museum was established at the initiative of eminent Russian scientists, members of the Imperial Society of Devotees of Natural Science, Anthropology and Ethnography. The museum was designed to be Russia's scientific and educational centre for a general audience. The museum collection was based on items displayed at the Polytechnic exhibition of 1872. For many years, the Polytechnic Museum has been an important centre of science, culture and the social life of Russia. The Grand Lecture Hall hosted public presentations by prominent Russian and international scientists and artists. Nobel laureates Ilya Mechnikov and Niels Bohr gave lectures here, along with the distinguished academicians Vavilov, Fersman and Zelinsky. Poets and writers such as Mayakovsky, Yesenin, Bunin and Bulgakov used to hold meetings and discussions here. The great Rachmaninoff performed here. For over 140 years, the Polytechnic Museum has been contributing to the field of scientific enlightenment and striving always to push forward the frontier of knowledge. While the museum's historical building is being renovated, the concept of the Polytechnic Museum itself is changing as well. It is no longer only a collection of objects and a place where lectures are given and exhibitions held, but is also becoming a platform for scientific discussions, creative experiments, educational projects and intellectual efforts. The museum is expanding its territory and new sites are appearing on the Moscow map. Not only that, but it is now exporting its activities to other Russian and European cities. Existing projects are growing rapidly, while new ones are emerging. The opening of the Rossiya Deliet Sama exhibition was the key event of 2014. The exhibition featured the historical exhibits of the Polytechnic Museum's collection, as well as specially created interactive and multimedia installations. In 2014, the Polytechnic Museum organised and co-organised 45 exhibitions in total. In November, the Polytechnic Museum threw open the doors of its storage spaces to the public. The Open Storage Space is a unique project, one which provides an opportunity to peep into the repositories of one of the largest museums of science and technology. In May, the Polytech Festival, a new collaborative project with the World Science Festival featuring eminent scientists, researchers and artists from various countries, went with a bang. The 4th International Contemporary Science Film Festival 360 was held here. A new educational project, Polytech at Strelka, has been launched. Lectures by the world's top architects, artists and engineers attracted a progressive young audience. Another newly launched project is Polytech Science Art, which is dedicated to one of the most significant phenomena of contemporary culture, interdisciplinary collaboration between artists, scientists and engineers. The Science Battle project is developing rapidly as well. It is presented in an unusual format, with young scientists conveying the results of their research in plain language. This summer, the Science Battle was run as a collaborative project with the Moscow government. The Polytechnic Museum's lecture theatre continues its operations, as do the science labs. This summer, with the support of the Moscow government, the new project Science Trailer began, with scientists in mobile laboratories travelling around Moscow running classes for children at schools and city events. At the start of the new academic year, the University for Children introduced a third course for young people, called Vectors, for those aged 12 to 13. This increased the number of participating students and professors, as well as the number of venues. The new project Skvat will be launched soon. It aims to teach 15 to 17-year-old teenagers how to create their own cultural projects. All the projects of the Polytechnic Museum find strong support from volunteers. The Polytechnic Museum's publishing project introduces the best popular science books for adult and junior readers. Special attention is given to disabled people. Magistratura is a pilot educational project within the Higher School of Economics-based master's programme, Applied Cultural Studies. The programme includes 3 courses which were designed in collaboration with international museum experts from the Rainword Academy. In 2014, the Polytechnic Museum's website was relaunched. The new website aims not only to provide information about all the museum's events, but to popularise science as well. The museum's wide-ranging activities enjoy broad media coverage. The museum is growing, and we believe this is just the beginning.